batobola batosu. I bakolo batano bodo. I batobola batodi. Shut down. Ibada wa bambankolo bambankolo ba. Iye jebele.
My name is Ambassador Apostle Kenneth Chama Yunis, a member of the Balance Spain of Arudiya, Ugoeze, Ugoeze. Today we are celebrating a great woman, a philanthropist, a woman that the world would like to know, a woman that the world would like to hear about. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about the Queen of His Imperial Majesty, Engineer Ugoeze Sasam Nwokodo, His Imperial Majesty, River State and Bayelsa. Today, the wife is celebrating her birthday. Yesterday, 12th of July, was officially her birthday, and it was a celebration galore for the women. She did a massive giveaway for the women. Women were happy. Women celebrated her yesterday. She made us happy, not just in her birthday. She do it once in a while. She gather women, she gather people, she go to orphanage home. She is this kind of woman that puts mark in people's life. When I mean mark, I don't mean scar. A mark of celebration, a mark that you will see and you remember that indeed you have a queen who is a queen mother. Today is her birthday. I'm celebrating her. Happy birthday, Arudiya.
Her Imperial Majesty, my husband was the of Rivers and Bayelsa State. And yesterday was my birthday, and today let's celebrate my birthday. And hope it will talk. Now let's celebrate my birthday. And not just celebrating for my own, and celebrating with my people, the Igbo community and the Ugoeze. Of my birthday, I want to help them, to empower them, can have something doing, for them to be able to help their families too. Take about each of everyone here I support my birthday today. I'm thanking everybody. Thank God bless you all. I'm grateful to have you all at the community and Ugoeze chapter, women chapter. Thank you for celebrating with me. I'm happy and I won't disappoint you guys. I'm not happy. Thank you.
No,